Hey, Scott Schilling here, the significance expert. And I want to share a little bit about my good friend, Mitchell Levy. I mean, man, this dude has got it going on. We actually just finished up a book together. I'm the author. He helped me tremendously with his AHA publications. It's going to be an AHA book. Great format, really interesting. The way we did it was so easy, you can do it too. Fact of the matter is, if you don't have a book today, you don't have a business card, because you need to have one. More than that, you need to share your genius. Mitchell helps bring it out. He did a great job with me. Can't wait for you to see my book, How to Live a Life of Significance, through AHA Publishing. But more importantly, it's about Mitchell. And man, you need to work with this dude. He is awesome. Make sure you give it a shot. Talk with him. He'll help bring the best of you to everyone else. God bless.